that we have. Whenever you flash, you're going to take your picture and somebody's going to be waiting for you.
So we're just at XPLOR, we're just getting our lockers and any photo packages that we want. It looks so cool. XPLOR! So we just did the zip lines.
Hi.
What was your thoughts?
It was high. It was fun. It was a lot.
Yeah, it was very good. But it's a lot of steps and a lot of walking, but it was really fun. We're going to go on the amphibious vehicles now. Time to get in the vehicle. And Paige wants me in the driving.
Hi everyone. So Ellie's driving.
Hello.
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 Ellie driving!
This is the food place that you go, that you get included with your ticket. So we just did the water raft.
Diabetes, back trouble. It's a little chilly when you first get here. It feels really bad.
So we're still in the underground exhibition. Wow. Wow. This is crazy. Honestly amazing. today's our last full day here and we check out tomorrow and we fly back home to London. We haven't really been doing much. We've been chilling by the beach, so not anything worth vlogging. I've got a few little bits that I can attach, but we're just at the beach today, which is just amazing. Hey everyone, so it's our last night in Mexico. This is our outfits, we've gone for white again.
Because it shows our tan.
Yeah, well I got really bad today, but shows like the first night actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, off to the Italian. Bye.